Even in the cleanest-looking spaces, indoor air is contaminated with airborne particles, including viruses and bacteria. Air conditioning plays a very important role in controlling indoor air quality. MEKAR has introduced a power-packed system with multiple stages of filtration to purify and condition indoor air. The pre-filter captures large particles such as dust and debris. At the heart of the system is a hybrid electronic filter. The electronic filter electrifies bacteria and viruses and then deposits them on its charged plates. Built-in UV lights further eliminate microorganisms present in the air. Optional HEPA filters are used to doubly ensure enhanced filtration in certain applications. The last stage is the ion sterilizer, which releases millions of negatively charged ions into the conditioned room. These healthy ions fill the room and immediately inactivate all airborne particles. The indoor air is now clean, pure, and fresh, which will increase productivity and well-being of its occupants.